If you want to list a domain in GoDaddy Auction, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps so you can get your domain in front of buyers as fast as possible. Whether you're selling a single domain or building a portfolio, this is one of the easiest ways to put your domain up for sale inside GoDaddy. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, go to GoDaddy in your browser and sign into the account that owns the domain you want to sell. Once you're logged in, head to My Products. This is where all of your domains and services are listed in one place, so it's the best starting point when you want to manage a domain listing. Next, look under the Domain section and click DNS. This area gives you access to the domain settings and controls. Before you can list the domain for sale, you need to make sure the domain is unlocked. So if domain lock is turned on, switch it off. This step is important because locked domains can't usually be transferred or listed properly until the lock is removed. After that, go to Domain Settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps the main options for managing your domain. Once you're inside the settings, look for the option that says List for Sale and click it. This is the feature that opens the domain marketplace listing process. Now you'll need to set your buy now price in US dollars. Think carefully about this amount because this is the price buyers will see if they want to purchase your domain immediately. A good price can make the difference between getting quick attention and having your domain sit unnoticed. If you're not sure what to charge, consider the length of the domain, how brandable it is, and whether it includes keywords that people might search for. You may also see an option to add a for sale page. If you want visitors who type in your domain to see that it's available, check that box. This can be helpful because it gives your domain a simple public sales page and can attract interested buyers directly. If you don't want that visible page, you can leave it unchecked, but for most sellers, it's a useful option. Once your price and sale settings are ready, click Publish Listing. GoDaddy will then post your domain for sale using the details you entered. At that point, your domain is officially listed and ready for potential buyers to find. After publishing, it's a good idea to go back and double check the listing details. Make sure the price is correct, the listing is active, and the domain status looks right. That extra minute of checking can save you from mistakes later, especially if you're managing multiple domains. And that's it. You now know how to list a domain in GoDaddy Auction step by step. Just remember to unlock the domain first, open the listing tools from your domain settings, choose your buy now price, and publish the sale. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.